Well, Brian, you have something on the 7-day forecast that we are watching closely, a chance of snowflakes.
Yeah, definitely some snowflakes mixing in. In fact, somebody already posted on my Facebook page, can we get a snow day out of this?
Maybe.
A lot of schools returning, and, you know, maybe. We'll see. That's the key word there, maybe. Mother Nature and time will tell. But, you know, this time lapse at the coast today really reflects what it was like much of the day across the entire state. And really just a lot of low clouds and fog. I know as I drove in over the top of the Sylvan Hill today, I noticed a lot of low clouds and fog hanging tough there. And really that's the case across all of western Oregon. Daytime highs 40, all the better we can do in Portland, but down the valley in Eugene, where you had a south wind, 51 degrees there, 54 for North Bend. East of the Cascades saw some signs of finally some warm up happening over there. 42 in Redmond, 24 in Burns, and 30 for Baker City. Today's lows still very chilly. 7 in Burns this morning, 18 for Baker City. In the 30s up and down the I-5 corridor, and a 43 there out in North Bend. Otherwise 37 for Astoria and Newport. And outside temperatures everywhere outside at this hour, 40 degrees for Westland. Everybody generally in that 40 to 43 range. We'll knock a degree or two off of those temperatures as we go through the coming hours, but overall not going to go very far tonight because of this cloud cover. 32 in the Dalles and Hood River, and because of that there is a winter weather advisory up for the bulk of the gorge except the Dalles. There's not a winter weather advisory up there, and also a winter storm warning up here for the northeastern part of the state for the Blues, and also a winter weather advisory up for Wallowa County there. And generally we're talking about snow and freezing rain for those areas as this system starts to move in here west of the Cascades. Just now reaching the I-5 corridor. Points west already seeing that rain, and some of it's not quite hitting the ground yet. A lot of it virga encountering this drier air mass, but it will eventually saturate in the atmosphere. And you can see a big old slug of moisture there. But as we go through the bulk of the week, what's going to happen is we're going to see a ridge of high pressure bulge up out in the Pacific, and that's going to open the door for some colder storms to drop in out of the north. As we go into Wednesday and Thursday, that's really a time frame I'm watching very closely. Here's why. There's a very sharp cold front that's going to move in Wednesday afternoon, or Wednesday morning into Wednesday afternoon. That's going to change our rain to a rain and snow mix during the day, just showers. So we're talking hit and miss showers as we go through Wednesday. Then basically Wednesday night all the way through Friday, I expect anything that falls will be in the form of snow showers. Now the one sticking part I'm watching very closely is Saturday. A couple of our forecast models suggesting a front drops right down, stays off the coast, and if it stays off the coast, that keeps us in cold air and wrapping the moisture around over us all day Saturday for the potential of a snow day on Saturday. However, if it goes by just a little bit to our east, then we would be more of a rain-snow mix because we would draw a little bit too much of a south wind. But definitely something we're going to watch very closely as we go through the coming week. Now, raincast, timing it all out as we go through tonight. You can see a pretty soggy night tonight. If you have plans, definitely take the umbrella or rain jacket. As we go into Monday, tapers off to showers. Excuse me, and then we'll just see scattered showers for the rest of Monday, and then a few showers on Tuesday. The one thing you're also going to notice is a breezy south wind start to kick in, and there's that sharp cold front as we go into Wednesday morning. I wouldn't be surprised to see some snowflakes as early as Wednesday morning. 51, all the better you can do in Seaside and Newport tomorrow. 50s for the I-5 corridor after overnight lows in the 30s and 40s. Excuse me. Eastern Oregon, snow and freezing rain giving way to afternoon rain and snow showers. For the Cascades, the snow level there jumping up to 6,000 feet in the afternoon, 38 in the afternoon for Government Camp. Morning snow and freezing rain turning to rain in the afternoon. 49 downtown, rain turning to showers, sun breaks, and breezy conditions. Overnight lows tonight will be before midnight. In fact, when you wake up in the morning, temperatures will be in the low 40s. And for Clark and Columbia County, same thing there, just some rain turning to showers, sun breaks, and breezy conditions out the door in the morning. That's definitely the wettest time of the day between about 8 and noon, and then we'll start to dry out a bit in the afternoon. And your 7-day forecast, I mentioned, look at that 7-day forecast. I don't think I've seen that many snowflakes in a 7-day forecast around here for quite some time. And as I mentioned, watching Saturday very closely at this point.
All right, we're watching it all. Thank you, Brian.
Yes.